I also come across this: radiation in cars, practical tips on how to minimize it. So I got these links are going to be in the description here. Owning some of the latest high-tech cars, you know, they got all these EMF. This is a website that shows you how to get rid of this stuff out of your new car, so you're not getting hit with the radiation coming off these things. They show you exactly where everything is planted and show you how to disable it. I actually have one of these in my company car. Yep, I got that exact same one in my car right now. They know where you are at every freaking minute. They know what speed you're doing. If you do a turn too fast, they know about it. It's ridiculous.
To be trapped in your